For the most part, when I first started my YouTube channel, I was a student and video editor while also helping my clients manage their own YouTube channels on the side. And over time, they've been able to generate tens of thousands of views on YouTube alone. And so in this video, I want to share with you some of the tips that made creating YouTube videos so much more easier and effortless rather than draining and time consuming. Even though I worked remotely, I spent about 7 to 10 hours daily in school alone and an additional 3 to 5 hours editing my clients' videos. Which means basically the remaining few hours I had for the rest of my day was barely enough to even do anything on my own channel. But over the years, I've been able to improve my workflow and also thereby improving my speed. So basically, there are 5 steps in the content creation process, some of which are extremely time consuming, which is probably why you're finding it hard or almost impossible to meet up to your upload schedule because you have spent so much time where you should have actually saved it. The first stage is ideation, and this is basically where you come up with new concepts for your next video. My best advice for you here will be to just come up with a list of topics that interest you and that you can genuinely talk about and write them down. But you have to make sure that you kiss. And no, it's not that type of kiss. What kiss simply means is keep it stupid simple. Whatever you wish to talk about should be something that people actually wish to know. Also, you need to keep in mind that you have to deliver this said topic or this said video in a simple way that people can easily understand. Pick a topic and speak to one particular problem at a time. For example, if your topic is filmmaking, don't try to explain everything about filmmaking in one go. Instead, what you can do is to pick a specific point or a specific aspect of filmmaking, like how to shoot a video or how to light your scenes. More tailored topic speaks to specific audiences, and it's a great way for you to build a loyal following. The next stage of your video creation process is where a lot of people tend to get it wrong. Some think about their topic and their video ideas and then immediately start thinking of how to shoot or how to press that record button. And only after it's time for them to actually upload these videos on YouTube, did they realize, oh, I need a title and thumbnail. And then they just decide to slap something on there and call it a day. This is the exact opposite of how you should actually go about making your videos. And that just tells you that the next stage in the video creation process, after coming up with your video idea or your topic, is your title and thumbnail. Think of your title and thumbnail as the packaging or the wrap of your video. If your packaging is bad, no one would click, no one would watch, and no one will actually be able to tell if there's actually value hidden within that video. So now if you've got your video title and thumbnail ready, the next stage is scripting. Honestly, if you are trying to save a significant amount of time, I would advise you to skip this scripting phase, or better still, avoid writing full scripts. Avoid writing your scripts word for word. The only caveat to this is if your video is extremely specific or there are details that you feel like you might actually forget, then this might not actually apply to you. But if you really had to have a script for your video, I suggest using bullet points. That way you can take note of your points, remember them, so you don't actually go off point or forget what it is you started talking about in the first place. And once you've written that down and you know exactly what you want to say in your video, you can then proceed to filming your video. This, in my opinion, is actually the easy part. But if you still need help on how to shoot high quality YouTube videos, or if you're still confused, then you can click on this video card up here and it will take you to a video where I show you how I shoot my YouTube videos. So far, we've been able to save hours from our ideation and scripting processes. But there is still something left: the editing. The number one tip I recommend to anyone struggling with upload consistency is you cannot be editing your own videos. As a video editor, I know firsthand how much time editing takes up. An average creator spends about 10 hours every single week editing their videos. This is time that could have been spent thinking about or coming up with video ideas for your next videos. Instead, you are seated editing the video you just shot. Unless you really enjoy the process of editing by yourself, you need to outsource your video editing. You automatically free up a large amount of time when you outsource your videos. And well, you might be thinking, why should I pay someone to edit my videos? Think about this. If you add 10 extra hours every single week, you'd probably be able to create twice as much content as you are producing right now. Because while your editor is working on your current video, you are already working on the next one. Also, if you need help on how to hire editors for your videos, or you'd like to hire an editor for your YouTube channel, drop a comment below or go into my channel details and you'll find my mail right there. So you can send a direct mail and we'll be sure to attend to you and pair you with the right editor for your type of channel. So if there's anything you take from this video at all, let it be that if you're still editing your personal YouTube videos, please outsource it to someone who knows exactly what they are doing. Because nothing hurts more than paying someone to edit your videos and ending up with the wrong videos or videos that you cannot even post on your channel. If you implement these tips today into your video creation process, it would make a whole world of difference in the time that you are going to save while making your videos. As always, if you found this video helpful in any way, kindly drop a like and subscribe to the channel to be able to see more and also help the YouTube algorithm know that this video is actually worth sharing to more people. And like I said, if you'd like to learn how to create high quality YouTube videos, click on the video right here and I'll see you in the next one.